This is a long multiplication problem, and this is how your teacher tells you to solve it. But what if I told you there's actually a simpler way to solve these types of problems that it takes you under 30 seconds? Here, let's look at an example. 402 times 341. Now, what you want to do is multiply 402 times every single number, and then from there, you add everyone's totals to get the final result. Here, let me show you. So 402 times 1. 402 times 1 is 402. Since 1 is in the ones column, you don't add any zeros at the end of it. Let's do 402 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8, 0 times 4 is 0, and 4 times 4 is 16. So therefore, the final answer should be 1608. But since 4 is in the tens column, you actually add a 0 at the end of it to get 16,080 as your final answer. Let's do the last number, 3. 402 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6, 0 times 3 is 0, and 4 times 3 is 12, therefore getting the final answer of 1206. However, since 3 is in the hundreds column, you add 2 zeros behind it in order to get a final answer, 120,600, and that's your final answer. Now you take all three of these numbers, add them together in order to get a final answer of 137,082. See, that was pretty simple. It took like 5 seconds. Now, let's try one that's a decimal. 402 times 6.52. Now, let's do it like we did last time. 402 times 2. 402 times 2 is 804, but if you notice, 2 is 2 spots away from the decimal point to its left. Therefore, from the right side, you go right to left with the decimal point 2 spots. So you go 1, 2 to get 8.04 as the final answer. Next, you do 402 times 5. 402 times 5 is 2010. However, since 5 is 1 spot from the decimal point, you go right to left 1 spot of the decimal point, and that means you get 201 as the final answer. Lastly, we're going to do 402 times 6. Since 6 is in the ones column and there's no decimal point in front of it, we just multiply normally. So 402 times 6 is 2,412, and next we add all three of these numbers in order to get a final answer of 2,621.04. Obviously, I'm going slow in step by steps, but as you do it, this way of multiplying actually takes literally 30 seconds or less. It is so much more easier, and there's less chance for failure when doing this multiplication process because you're multiplying slowly by 1 digit at a time rather than focusing on all 3 digits, 4 digits, etc., at the same time. Here's a couple more examples. Give it a try and answers will pop up in a couple seconds. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more future math content like this, and till next time, thanks for watching.